Hi, I'm Deb Pohl. I'm the Director of MLS Services here at Low Country Regional MLS. One of the frequent questions we get asked is, what is the AICUZ field in the MLS? This AICUZ is AICUZ, and it stands for the Air Installations Compatible Use Zones. This is in conjunction with the Marine Corps Air Station here in Beaufort. If you're not sure if a property is located in an AICUZ zone when you're entering the property, you can click on this little help bubble here, and it's going to tell you what it means. And there's a link. If you right click on the link, it will bring you to a map that looks like this. And you can search the property. We're going to use 22 Kemmerlin Lane because that's where we are. And it's going to zoom right to the property, and it's going to tell me that it's not in any of these zones. So when I go to enter my listing, I'm going to say no for that. But I'll show you what it looks like if you do have a property in an AICUZ zone. When you enter it, it's going to tell you that it is in one of these zones. When you enter this information into the MLS, it's a yes or no field. You don't have to put any of the other information in there. You can also find this information on the launch dashboard here with the AICUZ lookup tool. I hope you find this helpful.